This is a T-Shank Jigsaw blade 30-piece kit. Check online for further detail about your product. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the case. We have a nice case that we could slide open and close, that we could place in our jigsaw blades, close them and lock them up, and open up the other side to place in the remainder. An excellent storage case to hold your metal, wood, and so forth. We're going to show you the shank, how it goes into the jigsaw, and cut a piece of wood for you. It's an easy storage case, very simple to put together and put away in your toolkit. No more messy blades. Unlock, take out, place in a new blade. Lock up. Whatever you're cutting, these blades are sharp and will do a nice job. Aggressor, a 30-pack jigsaw shank blade holder for your jigsaw. Not just a case, but 30 blades from wood, plexiglass, bimetal, metal, and more. The case holds all 30 jigsaw blades and more. Very easy to store and put away. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.